Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I have given some question related to first in India. I am sure this will come in your competitive exam. So don't skip the video and watch it till the end. Who was the first female IPS officer in India? Answer: Kiran Bedi. Her full name is Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya. She was born in Shimla on 1947. She was second IPS in India, first IPS of UP, and first woman to become Director General of Police. When was the PIN system first introduced in India? Answer: 1972. It was introduced on 15th August 1972. It is a 6-digit code with each of the digit denote a particular meaning. Who was the first US president to visit India? Answer: Dwight D. Eisenhower. He had visited on December 9 to 14 on 1959. The purpose of his visit was symbolize common quest for peace. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer: Sukumar Sen. He was serving from 1950 to 1958. Who was the first Law and Justice Minister of India? Answer: B.R. Ambedkar. He was served from 1947 to 1952. Who was the first Indian to become a member of British Parliament? Answer: Dadabhai Naoroji. When was the first telegraph line started in India? Answer: 1851. The first telegraph line that connected to Calcutta and Diamond Harbour opened in October 1851. Who was the first Gupta king to issue silver coin? Answer: Chandragupta II. Who was the first Miss World from India? Answer: Rita Faria. She was crowned Miss World on 17 November 1966. Who is known as the first woman to drive a car on India? Answer: Sujane R.D. Tata. She was a French woman and wife of Ratanji Tata. She first drove a car on 1905 in India. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Answer: Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar, popularly known as Dada Saheb, Speaker of Constituent Assembly, later first Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Who was the first President of India? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was President from 1950 to 1962. Who became the first person to get a pilot license in India? Answer: J.R.D. Tata. He was issued a pilot license on 10th February 1929 by Aero Club of India on behalf of the Federation Aeronautic International. Who was awarded the first Parambir Chakra? Answer: Major Somnath Sharma. He was in Indian Army. He was the first recipient of Parambir Chakra for India's highest military decoration. Who was the first Indian to win the Man Booker Prize? Answer: Arundhati Roy. She got it in 1997 for her first novel, The God of Small Things. Who was the first Indian to win an Oscar award? Answer: Bhanu Athreya. Costume designer Bhanu Athreya got first Oscar in 1991 for Lekin, and for Logan got Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award in 2009. Who served as first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel from 1947 to 1950. Who was the first Miss Universe from India? Answer Susmita Sen. She won Miss Universe on 1994. Who was the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly? Answer Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. She was sister of Jawaharlal Nehru. Where was the first electronic voting machine first used in India? Answer Kerala. It is known as EVM. प्लीज मो चैनल को लाइक करंतु शेयर करंतु और सब्सक्राइब करंतु। थैंक यू।